Hey loves, let's get into this glueless wig. The lace is already pre-cut. Start by braiding or slicking back your hair and make sure it's nice or flat. Next, take a foundation one shade darker than your skin tone and apply it evenly all over the lace. Now adjust your headband before putting it on. Clip it in the back and make sure it's secure. You can brush your edges out for a more natural look. Make sure the clips are secure all around the edges for a more secure fit. Part it how you like, then grab your curling irons and style it to your vibe. And a little holding spray for some volume in the front and a soft bend. For anyone that loves sew-ins or quick wigs, Glueless Wigs keep your natural hair healthy. No glue, no tinting, just a flawless look every time.